No, from the root. Hold it same way. No, your right hand must grip it at the root at all times. Use your right hand and take the spot of the left hand. Voila, and pull that through. Very good. No, don't let it go.
I don't let it go.
Okay, so you turn it.
Like this?
I will wash.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi guys. Hi babes, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new beautiful day. I've been up and very much active around here. I got up this morning, I got my workout in. Did you get your workout in? I hope you did. Got my workout in. Husband left to work. I dropped my kids to school and now I am about to head out. I have an appointment to go to at 11, so I need to go and catch the bus, and then after that I am going to go and have lunch with my husband. So I'll take you guys along with me. This morning was a mad rush. I was right on time, so I didn't have a little window to talk to you guys and show you guys the kids and the rest of the family before I head out this morning. But don't worry, you guys will see them as the day progresses, as the vlog progresses, because of course they'll come back home later. So yeah, you guys will see them. But for right now, I'm going to get cracking so I can go and catch the bus on time. So love you guys. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. And of course, I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Let's go on the road together, shall we? So here we go. You guys, I'm in town. I'm wondering I'm in Old Town actually, and wondering why there's so much police. And then I realized that I had to go on the sidewalk and stay a bit because it was the Prince of Monaco that was passing. He's here at some diplomatic thing going on. Anyway, my appointment is finished and I am heading. Where am I heading? I'm heading to Tashika because babe, my appointment finished early. I'm heading to Tashika until babe appointment finished so that we can go have lunch together. So I'm in Old Town right now and there's a market happening, so let's see if I can catch a glance of what is happening in this market in Old Town while I head to Tash house. There's antique market happening in town right now. There's a book sale, antique things, a lot of antique. Okay, I guess it's a general market because there's jewelry too. There's shoes, people selling things through town. I don't even know where in Old Town I am, but I'll find my way to Tashika somehow. I don't recognize where I am. Where in Old Town I am. But people selling antique things. That's what's happening here. So let's see if I can find my way to Tashika from where I am right now. Look who we have. Come, let me make you see yourself. Say hello. Take the passy out your mouth, man. Take the passy out your mouth. Take the passy out your mouth. Who is that?
And who's crying?
You guys, can you imagine that when I take Aloria, she's crying? Watch her. She don't want to come to me. You don't want to come to me. You little mouth. You little mouth. That's all she's been doing. So you don't want to come to me. Each time I take her, she cry.
Long
you
tears,
cry.
long
little
Auntie
tears.
Mel, come and look for me.
You auntie busy, and every time I come, you sleeping. You sleeping. Eh? You sleeping. You guys, she cry now. cry long lily water. Well, can you guys tell that Tashika life has been good? Look on her neck. You guys see her neck?
We can make them.
Look.
You know, we say it if it was mine.
So you guys asking for Tashika, there she is, alive and well. You see? Yes, that's all I've been getting. You, yeah, make them see you. Make them see you. Make them see you. Make them see you. Move and go. Move and go. I love sweating to that. Move and go. As long as we get the smell, you don't have to come to me. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hey, them.
She's ready for
all your teeth going to come up one time.
She's ready for
You
it.
girl. You can see her. You guys, I am here at Tashika waiting for my husband to go to lunch.
While Tashika's cleaning.
While Tashika cleaning our yard, our house. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys Tashika and the baby. So there you have it.
Which one is this one? The
With Thai lunchtime.
spicy. Check if you want anything for
Anything, fella?
meat.
No, I want to reach there. These people in front of us. Which meat?
Want anything to drink or no?
No. Not curry. I don't know which meat. The meat is always the hardest decision. The chicken, the one at the front. It's a poulet ko. The one at the front right there. With Thai. Poulet Thai. You see this one at the front here? Hold on. Lunchtime, Deborah. Say hello. Lunch. Chicken, spicy rice, meal, and a handsome husband. Best menu. No?
Entree, dessert.
That works. I'll take it. I really eat my name with the vegetable and the sauce.
Salad. When it sounds veggies, it sounds like broccoli and all of this. Lettuce.
I like to eat it like this.
Okay.
While you on side, I like to eat it with the lettuce and the sauce.
I do. But you see, when we eat burgers, the opposite way. When I eat my burger, I don't like all of these fan nuggets in, while you like them. So it's
That's true.
Yeah.
We balance each other. I've been back and I got a little rest. I got a quick 1 hour nap in and now I'm making dinner because in another hour I need to go and pick up Sarah from school. So let's show you guys what I'm making for dinner real quick. So today, let's start off over here. I'm doing some white rice and then I just stumbled upon some spinach in the freezer. And I know Tyler and Babe love creamy spinach, so I'm making some creamy spinach for Tyler and Babe, while on the other hand there is broccoli and cauliflower in the fridge, so Sarah and I can have that and the boys will have this. And then over here, ooh, I browned this chicken. Now I am going to add these veggies onto it, some water, and simmer that down and dinner will be ready. You guys, so what I don't tell you guys is that life is about to change around here in a bit. I'll share that with you soon. But because life is about to change, babe will have to learn how to comb Sarah hair when mama is not around. Wait, you soon see them. They're gonna see you. They're gonna see you. Go and sit. So I'm gonna teach babe how to brush Sarah hair. I can't pull it like this because you're pulling her hair. If you're gonna pull it, your hand have to be under the thing and hold her hair.
Mama,
Yes, Sarah?
see a monster.
Yes, monster. This is my Sarah in my hand right now. Okay, good job. Good job. Where's the... So now you're gonna put oil in her hair. Get the oil bottle.
I don't
No,
wash
you don't do
nothing.
nothing.
Okay,
Put
this is
some
how I
oil
see
in
it in the morning.
Yes. No, this is not how you're gonna see it. You're gonna see it how it was just now with this in it.
Yeah, but I
So when I
want
take
to...
it out, this is how
Okay.
it's gonna be.
Okay, this is how... After I take it out,
Yes.
this is how I am.
Yes, that's mama.
Okay,
Mama
so
hand.
you don't comb it, nothing before you put this.
No.
Okay.
Spray some oil in your hand. Put down the oil bottle.
More.
Put down the oil bottle. Rub it up in your hand. And rub it at the front of her hair like this. Right, just backwards, all around. Back and front.
Sarah.
The back too. Come, sir.
Sarah.
You're gonna get a little bit more
Sarah?
oil. And you're gonna put it at the end of her hair where it look dry. Like here. At the end of her hair now. The end. Voila.
Ouch.
That's okay. No. You see, just like how you're doing it like this. You catch everything in your hand like so. Sarah, look at the camera. Look in your book. She can't lay down on you like this. Not possible. So she has to be up like that.
Okay, what about all of this?
No, that's what you're gonna fix now. You're gonna take her brush in your right hand.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And your aim is to brush, go all around. So look at me. Pay attention before you do it. Brush, bring it in your hand. Right. So each time you brush, you bring it in your hand.
Mama, give you a brush.
Wait, you soon brush.
Daddy.
Okay.
Here.
Brush.
On the side, do it on the side.
Honey, put down the brush.
Mama,
Use your
this
two hands.
one.
Turn around that way.
Okay.
You have to bring it in the middle. Or you can bring it to the side too if you want to give her a style.
That's okay.
But honey, you have to brush
Sarah,
everything.
correctement.
Honey, the here that know the
Okay,
bottom.
then know the back.
You want this one?
The back too.
Okay. All of it, honey. You
Okay.
must brush all of it.
Mama,
Use the brush. Here.
Ricky, Papa.
Attends, Sarah. Mama is making fun.
Brush it. Brush it. Right. Brush it, man. Don't be afraid to brush the hair, baby. Brush the hair.
Now, open.
Baby, brush the hair in the way that the hair is supposed to go. You can't brush the hair sideways when you want to catch it upright. Right. You're doing good.
Okay.
Okay. Use your tool. Voila. That don't look bad. That don't look bad. That don't look bad.
Okay.
Get this in your left hand, in your right hand, and now you're gonna
Hold on.
put it on your fourth, on all your 5 fingers like this.
Okay.
Okay, and you're gonna put your
You
no, from the root. Hold it same way. No, you must. Your right hand must grip it at the root at all
Okay.
times. Use your right hand
Yeah.
and take the spot of the left hand. Voila, and pull that through. Very good. No, don't let it go.
I don't let it go.
I'm not.
Okay, so you turn it.
Like this.
I will wash.
No.
Weird. Okay, let me do it and you look. Okay? Give me the brush. Hand still remain in place.
Okay.
This twist. Twist it.
brush.
Left hand up, right hand up.
Mama.
Bring it under. So you just
Mama,
bring
give
it,
you
basically
oil.
bring the hair
Mama,
through.
give you
Twist.
oil.
Okay, so you just
Bring it
straight
under.
down.
Twist.
Okay, 4 times.
Bring it under.
That's it.
Mama, give
Let
me.
go.
Alright.
In the correct way. Your hand can't turn this way when you want the hair to go that way.
Mama, we saw mosquito in the train. Mama, Mama's the mosquito in the train.
Wait, this not work. No, no, no.
Let me finish.
Right, that's how you. No, so why you push it? Right, you don't need to push it. Right,
Okay,
that's
okay.
it. That's the last one. That's it. The way you're using this hand to push it through, that's not it. That's the last one is it. Okay, so you see if you do this and you see it loose like that, but it's not supposed to be that loose. One technique, you split it in two.
Like pizza. Lace.
Right.
Okay, and now she's perfect. You ready to get this?
Hey, I'm sorry for my daughter, but
Mama,
practice become perfect. What? Another thing, Sarah, stand up. Stand up, Sarah. To make it easier for you. Come, stand up. Let me show you something else, babe. Stand up. Stand up. Sarah, stand. Come, you stand to make it easier for you. Catch her hair in one like this with your hand. Tell her to spin. Sarah, spin.
Spin.
Spin. Spin. Spin. Follow the hair in the routine that is going, honey. Continue. Follow the hair go around in the routine that is going. Follow it. Voila. And when it goes like that, now you put this around it and see if it will hold. You see, you're doing it wrong. No. You're doing it wrong. This is the part that you're struggling with the most. When you put this in, stand in my position. When you put this in, you bring it to this way, not this way, and push it through. Turn. You bring it right. So this hand,
Clockwise or no clockwise?
this way. Your hand come like this, not like this. Your hand come this way. Voila. Turn it. Spin the elastic. Voila. Push it through. Spin it again. Voila. Push it through. Voila. No. Voila, like that. Jesus mercy. The service, Sarah. Is that fun?
Somebody was doing it with the. Oh, it was with the vacuum.
Yes, one father.
Easier.
He want to use vacuum to comb up in the hair.
Sarah, you're still gonna be the prettiest.
Give Papa a hug.
No!
How does it feel to have a daughter without mama to come here?
I'm good, I'm super good. It's easy. Viens faire un câlin, un bisou.
Come, Sarah, it's time for bed because right now you're in a catastrophe.
Alright, bye bye, Sarah.
Papa!
Papa, il t'appelle, il faut venir.
Each day when I'm not here to come here, Sarah, mama want a photo.
Mama, I want
Every single morning I want a photo. I'm gonna have to do a next lesson tomorrow, honey. Eh? A next lesson tomorrow. Be ready. Alright, you guys. That was day one of hair lesson for Papa. We give him a break for today. we'll revisit this tomorrow because today was a catastrophe, but he tried. I'm proud.